Now, no noise at all. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 guys. And if you when you turn the steering wheel fast left or right and you hear a knocking noise coming from the rack and pinion, it looks like play and you hear a knocking, stay with us. We'll explain guys what can cause that, how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today, and practically you will not be even buying any tools, any parts to fix that problem, just one specific tool. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you need to guys buy any parts, tools for your BMW, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Let me go ahead and open the hood now, and I want to show you guys, okay, we want to demonstrate that noise for you. So if you come right here, let's go ahead and open now. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead, stay here, and I'll get a person, okay, to turn the steering wheel. You're gonna kind of like hear a knocking sound coming, okay. You can see the steering joint is there. Listen now. And if we come right here, so what causes that noise? Now, funny thing is, like, we almost don't have any play, okay. You may notice very little, but almost none. In some cases, if the knock is more, you may notice a play. But things to consider guys, make sure that you don't have, okay, the inner tie rod that has a play, outer tie rod that has a play, ball joints that are bad guys, okay, that can be caused as well. In other cases, okay, give me just a second just to position my microphone here. Make sure that the rack and pinion, okay, is not loose. But now what I'm going to do here guys, okay, let me come underneath. There is one place where you can adjust, okay, that knocking and playing the rack and pinion. Okay, and it's true right here. This is the tool that we'll be using. Okay, let me show you. This is the tool. It will go right there. There is 3 holes that you need to clean because they will probably have dust and oil stuck in them. Okay, and now you can tighten it a little bit, very little guys, and you need to have a person turning the steering wheel to make sure that you don't over tighten it, because it will be biting and that can make the vehicle dangerous to drive, because the steering wheel will not be very responsive and it will not come back on its own to natural position. So I'll just go a little bit like that. Okay, let me get the camera now. We'll get a person to go inside, okay, and turn the steering wheel at the same time. Listen for that noise. Just a little bit of noise. So let's keep doing that. Okay, I will try to, okay, pass the camera. I need to just get it a little bit more tight. Okay, let's try now. Make sure the steering wheel is not biting. You can see where I adjusted from, right here on the rack. Okay, I don't hear anything guys, practically it's gone. Make sure it's not biting. So that's how we fix it, that's how we adjust it. You can see, not very complicated at all. And right here, that's the tool that we were using. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to buy one. Now, no noise at all. That's how we fix it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.